Hi guys, so I'm having a bit of an organise of my electronic components into these really useful boxes. Well, when I say electronic components, radio case screws, because I do need them, and there's a plug down there as well. But obviously that's not going in a really useful box. It's mostly like the small stuff, so we've got some jack connectors there, IC sockets, LM358 op amps, case screws for CB radios. You can get them in a bag of 100 from Knights. Resistors, capacitors, including the ones I've most recently bought. Some diodes down there, one in 4148s. This one's just full of rubbish at the moment, so that's to be sorted out. I think that's empty, so that can either be used for what it says on it or something else. That does have some resistors in it. And I've got some class X2 safety capacitors here. This resistor here, I have no idea what that is. I'll have to measure it. Bit of heat shrink. So I'm in the process of just organising things, make things in the shack look a bit better than what they are. And that way, the bench to my side and also the one behind should be less cluttered. Hopefully I'll get that sorted soon. I'd like to, so then I know what I've got component-wise, which would be useful to know.